Hello everyone, having trouble with your Crossley record player not spinning? Don't worry, in this video I'll guide you through quick and easy steps to get it back in action. Let's bring your vinyl collection back to life. Place your Crossley record player on a flat, stable surface to prevent wobbling and skipping. Set the correct speed for your record like 33, 1 by 3, 45 or 78 RPM and try switching speeds if skipping continues. Gently clean the stylus with a soft brush or replace it if it's dirty or worn, as a faulty needle is a common cause of skipping. Why Crossley record player keeps skipping? A Crossley record player keeps skipping because it may be on an uneven surface, set to the wrong speed, have a dirty or worn stylus, incorrect tracking force, or there could be dust or a debris on the platter or record. Fix 1. Check power supply and connection. Ensure the power adapter is securely plugged into both the wall socket and the record player and that the wall switch is turned on. Try a different outlet or test the adapter with a voltmeter to confirm it's working properly. Fix 2. Set to phono mode. Make sure the player is set to phono mode, not Bluetooth or aux, as only phono mode will allow the platter to spin for vinyl playback. Fix 3. Adjust playback speed. Switch between the available speed settings 33 1 by 3, 45 and 78 RPM to see if the platter starts spinning on another speed, as sometimes a simple bug can prevent spinning at a specific speed. Fix 4. Disable auto stop feature. Turn off the auto stop function, which can sometimes incorrectly detect the end of a record and prevent the platter from spinning. Toggle the auto stop feature, switch to off. Fix 5. Reset or move the turn arm. Unlock and gently move the turn arm towards the platter. Mainly Crossley models only start spinning when the turn arm is moved into position. Fix 6. Inspect and reinstall the belt. Remove the platter and check if the belt is loose, slipped off or broken. Reinstall or replace the belt by wrapping it around the inner ring of the platter and the motor pulley, ensuring it's secure before replacing the platter. Fix 7. Try a different power source. If nothing else works, plug the record player directly into a different wall outlet, avoiding extension cords or power strips, and try a replacement power cable if available. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.